Welcome to Venom, and here we are, starting on this Land Rover rear cross member. Just picked up this Land Rover 90 Defender. We've got in the Venom now for the rear cross member. Top off the old rusty one. Welded on a nice new galvanised one. So we've got to fit a clutch master cylinder and brake master cylinder. Adjusting the first. So we're putting a new rear cross member on. Nice galvanised one down there on the floor. We've got to take all the crap off basically. All the tow bars got to come off, the tow bar electrics run through the cross member into the chassis leg, so all that's got to come out. Undone the bolts for the body already. We've got to hold the body up, cut the cross member off, pull it out, clean everything up, weld the new one in and put it back together, put the new wiring back in. Sounds easy.
Yo.
Yo.
How goes it?
Hello.
Hello, Morgan.
How are you?
I'm alright. How's the new bike, Morgan? Look at his face. Hiya.
Well, we've just actually been discussing about me actually doing my bike test and having that as my first.
That's it, I
It's
bought it for
small.
her.
Yeah. Darling, everything you buy, you come home and go, oh, I bought you a new present, I bought you a new car, I bought you a new bike.
Do it, Cal. Have it.
I missed one.
I don't know if 1,000cc is a bit much for my first bike.
What?
Have you seen me drive a car?
Yeah.
I'll be dead within a week.
That's why I've never had a bike, Cal.
Did you sign those documents I gave you the other day?
I'm going to punch you in the face.
She ain't got nothing to give you.
Yeah, that's very
Bit
true.
like
to be
me.
fair. You can have the house. I can give you the
I
house.
just want the insurance money.
They've actually started training me, like officially actually
Oh, really?
training me at the zoo. I'm one signature away from being fully trained on carnivores, and yeah, they've started training me on all the other bits now, so
Big
I can
chuffing,
actually,
And
yeah.
I'm the only one working, by the way.
Yeah, right.
Are you fucking kidding? Can I throw my coffee at you?
We can make another one.
And
Yeah.
actually quite disgusting.
Yeah, if you make another one, you can throw it.
We've got a new monkey, Simon.
Have you really?
Yeah.
I didn't think you were allowed to tell people.
No, she's on show.
Can we put my iPad on the
Wow.
Little Saki monkey, and she's
What
called,
is it?
This little Saki monkey. She's called Phyllis.
That's cool.
Look at her little mouth.
I'll do it all. I'll work.
I think he wants some attention.
Well, Morgan's meant to be getting filmed. We're not.
You alright?
He is. There's two of the cameras on him.
Can we put my iPad on?
Yeah, you're being filmed now. You will be on.
Can we put my iPad on?
Have you seen it?
Because it was...
Seen what?
Your iPad's dead.
Is it what?
Oh,
Yeah.
no.
Have you seen our YouTube
Of
videos?
course that's good, isn't it?
See? Have you subscribed?
Yep.
Ah, see? Can always count on Simon, our number
I
one
was expecting
fan.
to see you rallying a bit more.
Well,
There's lots
funny
to
you
come.
should say that. We've
There
got
is
our
actually
first challenge getting given to us on Friday, so...
Have you read what it is?
Huh?
He must have read what it is if he's talking about rallying.
Is that what it is? Are you getting us rallying?
Well, it's not quite.
No.
It might be,
Ah!
but it might not.
I'll do this miserably, but I don't give a shit.
Just finishing off this Land Rover now. One of the last things to do to it for the customer was a brake master cylinder and a clutch master cylinder. I can't reach. Boring this bit.
What is it?
Trying to get it to bleed up. Gravity bleed first before doing a final pressure bleed. But like watching paint there.
Fucking whack him with it.
My lights look like they've been hit by lightning. It looks quite
What's the dog done now?
Huh?
What's the dog done now?
What's the dog done? I said my lights look like they've been struck by lightning.
Yeah, what's the dog done?
Oh, twat. He's a bit of a cock. He's a bit of a cock. He is.
Right, down with the clutch. Up. Down. Up. Pump it.
Don't you know? Get up. Get up.
A proper
put more and then might adjust it up here. Get out of the way, yam yam ball.
You've got to say that every time your dad's in the way.
Down.